In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export source code files from Bolt.new full guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean copy of your project's source code on your computer, ready to open in your editor or share with your team. We'll move smoothly from opening Bolt to exporting, downloading, and unzipping your files with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and head over to the Bolt AI Builder. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can see your projects. For the best experience, use an up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection. If you made recent edits, give the page a moment to sync so everything you export reflects your latest changes. Next, choose the project you want to export from your dashboard. Take a second to confirm it's the right one by checking the title and preview. If your workspace has multiple versions or drafts, make sure you're opening the version you intend to download. It's always a good habit to verify that any pending changes are saved before you move on. Once you're inside the project, look for the export option in the interface, typically near the top right area. Click Export to prepare a downloadable package of your source files. This step gathers your project files into a single compressed archive, making it simple to move or back up your work without missing anything important. When the export is ready, you'll see a download option. Click Download to begin transferring the archive to your device. Your browser may show a small prompt or start the download automatically depending on your settings. Now choose where you want to save the file. If you're prompted with a save dialog, pick a folder you'll remember, such as a dedicated exports or projects folder, and then click save. If your browser saves files automatically, you'll likely find the archive in your downloads folder. Keeping your exports organized now will save time later. After the download finishes, locate the zip file on your computer and unzip it. On most systems, a double click will extract it. On Windows, you can also right-click and choose Extract All. This will create a new folder containing your full source code. From here, you can open the folder in your preferred code editor. Review the file structure and start working with the code immediately. If the download doesn't start, check for pop-up blockers, ensure you're still signed in, and try refreshing the page. That's it. Your Bolt project is now exported and ready to use.